What's the meaning of altocumulus? Altocumulus. 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 Altocumulus.
Altocumulus is a type of cloud that occurs in the middle layer of the Earth's atmosphere, typically between 2 and 6 kilometers above ground level. Altocumulus clouds are made up of water droplets and can sometimes appear as white or gray patches, with distinct rounded masses or rolls. They often indicate a change in weather and can be a sign of an approaching storm front. Altocumulus clouds can also create stunning visual displays during sunrise and sunset, as the sun illuminates their edges and creates beautiful colors in the sky.